Jamaica. Yo. So, people, just if you show you say your life and a joke, YouTube are owned by Google, where them people are them that behind most of the things we are going in our world and lies. Them are cut the views them and the channel and they link them to the video them because them are explain to what go on. You see how far them people are dead from we, but them hate we so much, them only want we to be idiot. For them try kill we off. Them not like free speech unless I them want you to talk about. Which if it spread be a lie and rumor and deceive people and gossip and carry false news, if just to make it all the way more stupid and more controlled by them. Them a protect the government where them control. So nobody no know what go on. The video have 25 views, then it dropped to 12, then it got to 14. Now it dropped to 5. You don't know catch what go on. You don't know smell the whole heap at them. Them a cut the view them to keep the people them from knowing the truth. Them a plan mass genocide people. And if you don't know what that, it mean large scale murder for the general population. Imagine say the whole world full of animals and you did a grow them and a feed them or you want to feed them to fat them up. Because them in a reality you are going to sacrifice them and them need to in a special condition. I saw them people look pan we. I saw them look pan we, you know. Andrew Holmes and the Jamaica government is one of them favorite from the Caribbean. So them need you to still sleep. And still asleep, yo. Me find a list of commandments where them people are follow. From them devils them. People will left it, talk, and feel live with their life not easy when they don't know how to create you. One of them commandments say, the light bearer, Lucifer, created only two basic type of people. The Illuminati and the human cattle. Good for nothing but to be enslaved, mock and slaughter. So them I say, Satan create them, the masters, the Illuminati, who are pure blood. Everybody else, no, the people them are join the Illuminati and a part of it, you know, them are just slaves, them are puppet we use for draw, we and mislead we people. Understand that? Them are get discarded one at a time. No, everybody else with them say we are cattle. We Satan make a slave for himself and make for the Illuminati. So we're not good for nothing but to be a slave, mock and get killed off. And I joke this in a people. I see a couple more, yeah? Them say, have a human cattle robotically repeating that black is white. Which means black people will hate themselves and try to be more white or eye color. So them say bleach hard people. You see, you look how much people burn up themselves. No, one next one say, truth is hidden in plain sight. So you them openly and tell the truth to you, the human cattle, but them but still make sure you not get it. Mean them I tell you everything, but you not care. So because you're distracted, so you can't see your reality. You love a distraction more than your reality. Now, them have one next one who say, exterminate all real Christians and all Jews soon as possible. And Jews refer to both the race and religion people. That one here, hot. This have to deal with by itself. Number 6, obey yourself alone. And if you touch back on that, when them say exterminate all real Christian and Jews, you know, people, it's not to kill, you know, them kill off them people, they already, you know. Where them go, you know, follow that is extermination, really, you know, because you don't know worship the Creator, you know. Now, make we move on to our next one. Obey yourself alone. Meaning, just live like you're not dead. And you're not going to get judged when you're dead. And you're not going to get punished when you're dead. People, the reality is, as soon as you're dead, your punishment starts. You don't worry about death. Worry about what happened to you after you're dead. One next one say, make the human cattle believe that there is no creator. See, dead already. With everything what them give you, and give we for worship and make we fight where the truth is. We last long time. And we forget who created us long time. And who still know, them a try kill. One next one say, endless deception to serve nothing but simulated reality at the end of the show. Meaning, everything you do and think you know is just a lie and an illusion. For you, for your soul. Now, our next one say, rewrite history to formally turn defeat into victory. Another one where we have to go do by itself. But it's true, you see, them people here control things for a good while now. They make a big U-turn and take over with this system, people. Jamaica, wake up.